Hi Mike, we're back with Tyson. So he gets very uncomfortable around strange dogs. This Doberman's kind of pushy and tries to get the treats, even though honestly she had initially the same issues he did, but he does not have any, when he gets around other dogs, he doesn't have any social behavior, so that will get a lot better. But that is, again, a symptom of the bigger problem. So anyway, I do have that sound thing on today, so when you hear that buzzing, that indicates when he's feeling that pager. So we've got to get him healing. We've got to get him giving into the pressure of the leash. We've got to get him dropping. He's got to become more social and confident, and see you more as a sort of a clear and present leader, not just somebody that's in the scenario. So, George, I thought you said that was the last branch you were cutting. That's the last branch? Oh.
I haven't cut no more off. No, ma'am.
Anytime that leash gets tight, and I'm buffering it again, I'm not trying to give this dog a big jerk. End of that leash, because the subtask of everything is give into the pressure of the leash. I'm fixing to come back there and see what you guys are doing, because if she's putting a big lump of concrete under there, I can just tell you right now.
Congratulations, the first you brought the guy that got with you.
And you don't think it's going to work? What? Just met some guy at Home Depot, brings him to my house?
So what you do is you can try cement under everything. If you don't put water on the cement and let it at least fix up, like set up, and get mushy, it's never going to even turn to concrete. The water's going to hit it, it's going to wash away, just like everything else did. Concrete's only sand until it dries.
Lori just apparently meets some serial killer at Home Depot and brings him to my house. Let me go in there and start cleaning my gun. Anyway, so this is where we're starting out. Until you can have that behavior of heal, he's very uncomfortable around that Doberman because she's kind of pushy, but honestly, she used to be exactly like him. All right, we'll be right back with a little bit of the recall, but I gotta go see what's going on back here. I'll be right back.